Do you know you can use brand tailored coupons to retarget customers on Amazon that abandon their cart? That's right, if somebody added your product to their cart and left, you can retarget them on Amazon and get another chance to generate that sale. I'm going to show you how to do that in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to make you a millionaire on Amazon. If you stay until the end of the video, I'm also going to be showing you how to cross-sell your products. So if somebody purchased one of your products, you can show up and cross-sell another one of your products on Amazon to generate more sales. Let's dive in. First, you're going to log into Amazon and you're going to type in brand tailored promotions at the top, and then you're going to simply click brand tailored promotions, and it's going to take you to this exclusive promotions page, and you're going to click create a tailored promotion. Now you're going to select your brand. Let's say we're doing it for this brand, and you're going to click new customer acquisition. Next, you're going to click next, and you're going to click what products you want to do, all products or specific products. We're going to do it for all of our products. And then here it is, brand cart abandoners. We've got 8,000 people we can target, which is pretty solid. Customers who have added any of your brand products in their cart in the last 90 days but haven't purchased yet. So we can click on that, and now we can get more sales because you know they added to the cart. Sometimes they just need that extra reminder, hey, don't forget to buy this product, especially as we're getting towards the holiday season. Click promotion name, customer discount, minimum is 10%, maximum is 50%, your budget, your promotion start date, your promotion end date, bada bing, bada boom. You submit this, and now you are retargeting those abandoned carters. I think that's a name, abandoned carters. So that's one of the ways. You can also potential new customers. So customers who have clicked on your brand, storefront, and products or added products to their cart in the last 90 days but have not purchased from your brand in the last year. So this one is a whole year. This one is only 90 days. So this one's a larger amount. But again, 90 days, you're probably still in their head so they remember you. So I recommend to start with this. You can also try this option. Another one is customer retention. So this is improved brand loyalty. If you do post.amazon.com, you can target brand followers. The audience size is a lot smaller, but also promising customers who purchased from you recently buy occasionally and spend above average. This is a great way to target them. Re-engagement. So again, at-risk customers who haven't purchased recently nor frequently with varied spend. Also, declining promising customers from your brand's promising audience who are predicted to spend less with your brand in the next year. So Amazon has all these algorithms, right? But you can only really use these types of products if you have, if you're already selling on Amazon pretty well. And then finally, if we're getting towards the end of the video, this one is the cross-sell. So if you sell pasta, maybe you also sell sauce, right? So you can put your pasta in here, the ASIN of your pasta, and let's say you sell marinara sauce and you sell vodka sauce, right? But people love your pasta. People know you for your pasta. But now you have sauces and you want to get them in front of the customers. This is your time to do cross-sells. So you put in all of those ASINs, you add the products, and then you have an audience size, you click next, you select your audience, and then you run the promotion here, and that's how to cross-promote your products. It's pretty awesome, and Amazon is really helping you get in front of these customers, and it doesn't cost anything unless you generate a sale, which is pretty awesome, right? Customer discount is a minimum of 10%, and it looks like here's your budget. Budget is the maximum promotional spend you want to incur. So you don't get charged like Amazon ads per click. You're getting charged every time you get that sale, which is even better. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something new, please do drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to this channel, because not only am I giving you awesome recommendations to increase your sales, but I'm going to keep you up to date with Amazon's policies so you are good to go in the long term. If you want us to create a video for you or have questions about this video, drop a comment below it would be greatly appreciated because I read each and every single one. And if you need help selling on Amazon, anything with Amazon, EHP Consulting Group is your go-to company. You can find a link to us in the description, and what happens is you'll get your own consultant that I've trained personally that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. Not only increasing your listings, not only managing your account, but also helping you get on Walmart, helping you get on eBay, on Etsy, increasing your sales internationally, maybe to Amazon UK, Amazon Australia. That's what we specialize in, to maximize the amount of sales you can, and all you have to do is contact us and mention monthly management. Mention monthly management and we'll help you. We'll set you up with a discount, and we will go from there to make sure you are generating sales long-term on Amazon. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.